Facebook advert has become a cornerstone of digital marketing, offering businesses an effective way to reach their target audience, drive traffic, and achieve their marketing goals. Now, pay a closer attention because I'm about to give you some strategy for running Facebook advert. Understand Facebook ad, you have to understand where you're going through. You will have to learn how Facebook advert works and how it can benefit your business. Define your goals. Explore various campaign options, which I'm going to show you now. Advert type. Discover if it is video, images that you want to use to create your advert. There are different kinds of advert type. We will get there. Understand how to define and segment your audience for maximum impact. Analyze your result, analyze your advert to know where your audience reached and where you still need to retarget to meet a larger audience. So that is that about that. Now let's talk a bit about awareness when we talk about choosing a campaign objective. Now, awareness shows your advert to people who are most likely to remember them. Awareness is good for reach, it is good for brand awareness, it is good for video views, it is generally good for what we call awareness. Next is traffic. Send people to a destination such as websites, app, Instagram profile, or your Facebook event. This is good for link clicks, landing pages views, Messenger and WhatsApp calls, and Instagram followers. The next is engagement. Get more messages, purchase through messaging, video views, post engagement, page likes, or event response. This is good for Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Video views, it's good for post engagement, it's also good for calls. Now, leads. Leads is used to collect leads for your business. It's used to collect information from your audience customers. Instant form, Messenger and Instagram, conversion and calls. App promotion. Find new people that will install your app and continue using it. This is good for app install and app event. The last is sales. Find people who are likely to purchase your product or your services. This is good for conversion. This is good for catalog sales. Good for Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and is also good for calls.